Happy Feast of the Epiphany. Today we celebrate how the three wise men were able to follow Christ. And there's one simple lesson that I would like to draw from today's feast. And it is that once we find Christ, nothing else matters. I love the Feast of Epiphany. Really, I enjoy very much the time of Advent. Having the Advent wreath is something very special to me, being able to prepare for the coming of our Lord. And then I'm also very attracted to today's feast, the Feast of the Epiphany. We see these three wise men who saw a star and followed it. And I think it's interesting because when they first see the star, they don't really know what it means. They think that they're looking for the newborn King of the Jews, but probably at a very earthly level. They were also powerful men, and so they wanted to see this new ruler who would be rising up, somebody who had been prophesied, but they were unable to fully comprehend the greatness of Jesus whom they would encounter. But once they find him, nothing else matters. We saw his star in the east and we followed it, and then we found this babe lying in a manger. This is just so amazing to me. And they find Christ and nothing else matters. They probably had their Oriental philosophies, different religions. They had their hopes set on so many earthly things. But when they find Christ, nothing else matters. Lay down gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh at the feet of the baby Jesus. And to me, this symbolizes the fact that they realize that nothing else matters. For us, a lot of times we can get trapped looking at our earthly possessions. You know, maybe if we had gold that we were able to offer to the baby Jesus, it might not be so easy because we can get very attached to our earthly possessions. It might be Netflix, it might be alcohol, there might be different things that are keeping us from really getting to be close to Christ and to put him in first place in our lives. But when we encounter him, when we find him, all of a sudden, nothing else matters. And so a point of reflection that I'd like to take today, and that I would also like to invite all of you, is that I want to ask myself, is Christ really my all? Is he the reason why I'm waking up in the morning? Is he the reason why I'm doing everything I do? And hopefully he is. But maybe there's some areas of my life that I still need to clean up a little bit and make sure that there's room for the Christ child. Happy Feast of the Epiphany. Today is still part of Christmas, so I'd like to also wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. God bless, and don't forget to go to Mass.